So I've been thinking about what I wanted to share this week, and basically all the tech problems that I've mentioned continue. And I'm not going to focus on that, but just wanted you to know that it doesn't matter. Even how much you prepared, still things happen. Last week, one of my class sessions, I got kicked out because my internet went down, and I didn't even have a way to tell students what was going on, tried everything I could, finally got back in, and they were all there waiting for me, which really shocked me. And then today I was teaching, and I could get the document camera to show. Initially it showed me as well, then it wouldn't be able to show both. So I had to do the whole lesson where they couldn't actually see my face, which I realized how much I use my hands and gesture and how much I rely on that. So that was challenging not to have. So the thing that I keep noticing is it's always something. It's always something. And maybe that's the case in the physical classroom, but I've taught for so long, it doesn't seem to be the case for me as much anymore. So one of the things that I was thinking about that I've learned from other people that I read or watch podcast or listen to podcasts or watch videos or things I've learned is this idea of compare and despair. That if we do that, if we are always comparing to what it was, what it could be, then we can, whatever it is, it can often make us just feel unsatisfied and unhappy all the time. And I think one of the things right now is it's really easy to compare to a regular school year. It's really easy to say, well, why are we having to do this? Why are we having to do this? And when is this going to be over? And is this the new normal? People get tired of hearing that expression, but it's used a lot. And it's so easy to compare to what was. And the reality is what was isn't going to be, ding, anytime soon that we know of. And that we just have to accept that. And I know I say that all the time, but it's true and it's hard to accept, but it is our reality. So one of the things I'm trying to do is not compare and despair. I'm not going to look at everything and be like, well, this is how it usually is, and I wish I could normally do this, and normally when I do, it doesn't help anything. And secondly, instead of doing that, what I want to focus on, and I want you to focus on, is focus on your wins. What is working? What is good? What is positive? Because we can always find things that aren't working or fault or flaws or things that we wish were. But instead, focus on what's going well and enjoy that, savor that. And I'm trying to think of that each class period that I get super frustrated when something with technology goes awry. What didn't go awry? What went well? And what did I feel like we did accomplish? I'm going to try to focus on that, always that bright side, folks, instead of the compare and despair. Have a great week.